Hey, Pierre Villacode again. So let's see what Copilot can bring to Whiteboard. So the whiteboard, you know already how it works. You can create different things. You can draw. You can add post-its. You can add templates. But what Copilot can bring? So here it says suggest, and there's also grade, categorize, and summarize. So I guess if I had already some notes, I will see some those features enabled. We might try that later. So let's see suggest. So suggest ways to optimize my website for organic search. So here's a suggestion. I can go here also in my Copilot lab to see all the suggestions. So let's see the suggestion, what I can do with whiteboard. Start the conversation. Suggest common questions that can be asked to get or to speak started with my colleagues. So that can be a good prompt. Identify issues, generate ideas, suggest inexpensive ways to optimize your website. That's the one that it was shown. Generate ideas. So let's do this one. Brainstorm a list of curtain. Oh, maybe not that. But I want to brainstorm something. Uh, let's say, let's go back here and let's say brainstorm ideas on how to help users apprehend Copilot for Microsoft 365. Let's see what comes out of it. I'm really unboxing this. Never tried it before. Brainstorm ideas on how to help user apprehend Copilot. So I have some suggestions here of post-its, interactive tutorial. Okay, there's several suggestions based on training capacities. Let's see if there's more. Gamification, personal. Okay, let's insert all the 12. And boom, now I have that. And I can ask people to type here what they think will be useful or to like the different post-it to see if they think that a fact will be useful for Copilot. Pretty useful. So it helps me to go faster and create some post-it pretty quickly. Hope this was insightful.